Like in Minecraft and there's so many monsters around.
Huh?
Okay, it's currently 7 a.m. We're taking a stroll along the beach where we just woke up from our campsite.
Huh?
And like I was saying, we arrived here, we're camping at Beach Park on the north shore of Kauai. This is day 3. So far, it's been an amazing trip, as you've seen parts of it. We're just waking up, gonna go for a surf this morning while the waves are still good and glassy out there, hopefully, and just enjoy the morning, go get some breakfast, meet back up with my mom, and just enjoy this beautiful day that's going to be. We set up the camp last night. It took no time at all. We packed our camping stuff like our tent and sleeping bags and blankets and pillows in our suitcase and traveled with them here. So it was no big deal to get them out here. No cost at all. It's really cheap to camp here in Hawaii. It's amazing. And you wake up right here on the beach. So I think it's one of the best places you can stay on Kauai. But we do say that we have woke up a little bit sore today. Aww. Because the bed was not that comfortable. Yeah.
See a nice picture.
Yeah, we should take a picture like this. Wow, it is bright.
Yeah, right.
Also, temperature is good, guys. Very humid, very lovely, perfect climate. We're in paradise right now. Yes.
The storm.
Wet from the storm.
Yeah, videos.
Also, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for clicking on the video. Hope you're enjoying it so far. Enjoy the rest of it too. This is only the beginning. Again, day 3. You saw day 1, day 2. And so, yeah. I don't count the first day when we arrived as a day because we arrived during the night. So this is day 3. And yes, just thank you guys for looking at my little YouTube video here, and hopefully you guys are liking it and commenting and subscribing to me too. So, thank you. Yeah.
can ask them how they make it.
Riding the wind through the canyon and over the riverbed.
This is tea leaf. This is what they make like lays, usually men's lays. You just heat them up in the microwave for like 20 seconds, and then they're easier to braid with. They're like oily when they're hot.
It's easy to braid things with them. Most artists are really like forthcoming.
Oh, yeah, we might see a rainbow right now. Let's wait for it.
I think I see one.
Rain in the front range in the morning, clear skies all afternoon. A midsummer's night dream that came true came to lay me down.
What do you like to say to the fans?
But it was fun. Woo! Tofu musubi. And we bought 9 of them.
Oh, that's so freaky.
Cheers. That's so pretty. Wow. What the heck? Okay, hey guys, so we are heading back down to Honolulu to go try to look for some surf and then hopefully catch some waves, and then we're going to go to the Honolulu Farmers Market. I'm super excited. That's a really good one. We're in September right now, so some of the fruits like aren't as abundant as they would be like earlier, like around June, July. So maybe a little less so than last time I went to the Honolulu Farmers Market, but still, it's gonna be great. I'm super excited. I'll take you guys along, so stay tuned.
Yes. You want to get the mountain in the background?
Yep, I'm listening to you.
I can do cash as $1 extra.
Now he's out here. I can feel it in my nuggets. Man, are you nervous?
Okay.
Go.
Okay, we just got done snorkeling, guys. It was really cool. We're just gonna tell you guys what we saw really quickly. Maybe I'll insert like a picture or two about what we see.
We saw.
I got it. Okay. We saw, firstly, okay, let's save the best for last.
The best for last.
Yeah.
We saw sea urchins.
Yeah, okay. Big sea urchins, like there's a white one, there's purple, there's black.
And we saw
The humu humu nuku nuku apua'a,
okay.
which is the state fish. So we saw the state fish. I think it kind of looks like the South African flag. Just putting that out there.
We saw
Saw a couple of those.
we saw an eel.
Saw a little baby eel.
Baby eel.
Oh, like
It did slither around.
slithered.
Last but not least.
Last but not least. Maybe best. Actually, definitely best thing we saw while out there. We saw the honu sea turtle. We saw them. It was a beautiful Very, yes,
WatchMojo.com top 10 list.
top 10 list.
Number 10.
Number-
Number 1.
Number
Honu.
1, Honu.
Sea turtle.
It was stunning, majestic. I saw the eating its the coral, the stuff off the coral. It was beautiful. Went totally vertical in the water. So you guys slow that down. Yeah, it was pretty great.
I just switched to ride.